crew struggling at the front have actually stopped back at the end of the field. And the other composite crew on the inside, the Port Adelaide composite crew, they're travelling quite well. We've got them rating at 34 also, so 34, 35 the optimum speed for the three leading boats. They've all pulled away from the Adelaide crew, which is one of the backpackers. So we're settling down to battle it out now. They're in the last 250 metres. The red boys are marking that. The all club crew from Adelaide Uni in the white with the black V, like I said, with four or five former King's Cup oarsmen in it. And it's John Bolt, the Olympic oarsman. It's a world-class boat, you'll think, the Adelaide Uni crew. Having a great battle with the two composite crews. The Port Pirie Riverside crew is probably in third place as they head towards the line. The composite Hammond, Phoenix and Pembroke crew on the far side under extreme pressure. This is a great race, ladies and gentlemen. Very worthy of the state title, state championship for the men's masters. It's down to a battle of two now. I don't think the Port Pirie composite crew is going to catch them. That's the Phantom Phoenix and the Adelaide Uni crew going down to the line together. Absolutely nothing in that. Absolutely nothing in that. The photo finish camera, we've got a very sophisticated digital photo finish camera. We'll sort out the result in case the judge